Experience a faster cable planning process in Spotlight 2023. The new property view in the Power Planning-palet will allow for easier selection and editing of objects in your model. New filter, sort and edit options in the property view will also make cable and device management more user-friendly. Additionally, there are improvements to how the device graph displays information, and a new modifier key has been added to the cable tool to control how it interacts with cable paths. The first thing you'll find when opening the Power Planning-palet is the connection lines between components and devices are cleaner and less cluttered in the device and component graph views. Devices now scale based on the number of connections, and the connection labels themselves are slanted to make sure that you can clearly see what is connected where. And lastly, both the component and device graph will remember any layout changes you make until you manually refresh the palette. To make the cable planning process easier and more intuitive, the patch table has been split into two separate views, the property view and the connection view. You can take advantage of a range of filtering and layout options to quickly configure the property and connection views to suit your preferred workflow. Change the position of columns and the sort order of the data shown. You can use the filter buttons to quickly control what types of devices are displayed, and then further refine your filtering using the filter text box to add more specific filter criteria. You can also use the property view to repatch fixtures, consumers, and distributors. Select the power port phase cell for the device you want to edit and type the new patch location in, using the format object ID, then output or input number. Whenever you patch this way, new cables will be drawn to replace the old ones. And any new cables that you create will use the same numbering as the currently active cable tool automatic numbering settings. A really powerful feature of the new property view is the ability to use it to select objects in your design. Just click on the device in the property view and it will be selected in the design layer. This enables you to quickly make changes without having to spend time hunting for the relevant object in your plan. The property view also provides a route to export its data into a static worksheet to help you prepare the documentation that your site crew will need. Cable paths have been improved to help you use them more efficiently. To give you more control drawing cables and to increase your drawing speed, a modifier key has been added to control whether your cable runs the full length of the path or not. Hold the Alt key on PC or the Command key on Mac. This will give you the best of both worlds when drawing cables by giving you control to choose how the path will behave when you use it. To make it easier for you to document which cables run through a given cable path section, new default data tags have been added to the Spotlight library. Experience faster cable configuration, planning, and documentation with the latest upgrades in Vectorworks Spotlight 2023, enabling you to design without limits. If you wish to find out more about this feature or any of the other features in Spotlight 2023, please visit our website.